Happy kids learning!
Hi, little explorers. I'm Benny the Beaver, and welcome to our riddle game. Each animal riddle has 3 clues. Ready for the first one? Let's dive in. Riddle 1. I love to jump, jump, jump. I have a pocket on my belly. I live in Australia. The answer is kangaroo. Kangaroos are famous for hopping and carrying their babies in a pouch. They live in the wild in Australia. Riddle 2. I am very, very big. My nose is long like a hose. I love to spray water. The answer is elephant. Elephants are very big animals. They use their long noses to pick things up and love playing in water. Riddle 3. I have black and white stripes. I run very fast. I look like a horse. The answer is zebra. Zebras are animals with stripes. They live in Africa and run fast to stay safe. Riddle 4. I can fly in the air. My wings are colorful. I was once a little caterpillar. The answer is butterfly. Butterflies have colorful wings. They start as caterpillars and turn into flying insects. Riddle 5. I live in the water. I have 8 arms. I spray black ink when I'm scared. The answer is octopus. Octopuses live in the ocean. They have 8 arms and can hide by spraying ink. Riddle 6. I have long, soft ears. I love to eat vegetables. I can hop really high. The answer is rabbit. Rabbits are small animals with soft fur. They live in burrows and love to hop. Riddle 7. I have webbed feet. I love to swim in ponds and rivers. I have a flat beak. The answer is duck. Ducks are birds that swim well. They live near water and love to float on ponds. Riddle 8. I live in the jungle. I am orange with black stripes. I am strong and hunt for food. The answer is tiger. Tigers are big cats. They are orange with black stripes and live in forests. Riddle 9. I am very small. I fly from flower to flower. I make sweet honey. The answer is bee. Bees are tiny insects. They visit flowers and make honey. Riddle 10. I live with people. I love to play and run. I am called a loyal friend. The answer is dog. Dogs are friendly pets. They love to play and stay with people. Riddle 11. I have a very long neck. I eat leaves from tall trees. I am taller than most animals. The answer is giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals. They use their long necks to eat leaves from trees. Riddle 12. I am very small. I crawl very slowly. I carry my home on my back. The answer is snail. Snails are tiny animals. They move slowly and carry their shells on their backs. Riddle 13. I have strong legs for jumping. I live near water. I used to be a tadpole. The answer is frog. Frogs live near ponds. They start as tadpoles and grow strong legs to hop. Riddle 14. I live in the sea. I am a very fast swimmer. I have lots of sharp teeth. The answer is shark. Sharks live in the ocean. They are fast swimmers with sharp teeth. Riddle 15. I am covered in soft, fluffy wool. I live on farms or fields. I help make warm clothes. The answer is sheep. Sheep are farm animals with soft wool. Farmers use their wool to make clothes. Riddle 16. I am small and orange. I live in tanks or ponds. I swim quietly with my fins. The answer is goldfish. Goldfish are small orange fish. They are often kept as pets in tanks. Riddle 17. I am big and gray. I love to stay in the water. I have a huge mouth. The answer is hippopotamus. Hippos live in rivers. They are very big and spend a lot of time in water. Riddle 18. I live in the forest. I love climbing trees. I enjoy eating fruits like bananas. The answer is monkey. Monkeys are clever animals. They live in forests and love to climb trees. Riddle 19. I move very slowly. I carry a hard shell on my back. I live in water or on land. The answer is turtle. Turtles have hard shells. They move slowly and can live for many years. Riddle 20. I have black and white fur. I look like a bear. I love to eat bamboo. The answer is panda. Pandas are gentle bears. They live in China and eat bamboo all day.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun content like this.